Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Eagle Monkey, and it is Tiny Whoop night here in Longmont, Colorado. I'm at the Wild Game, and I wanted to share with you guys a new product that Tattu Batteries has sent to me to do a review on. So this is the Tattu Batteries. It is a battery bank. Now, the reason I'm doing a review on this is because I'm using it for my Tiny Whoop batteries. So it's actually a two-in-one design. It's a 5200 milliamp power bank, and what's really nice up at the top, it's got a 1 amp outlet, and it's also got a 2.4 outlet, so that's really nice. So I can actually use this and I can charge up 6 of my Tiny Whoop batteries all at the same time with this guy, with this particular battery, and I can charge I can do that probably about 3 or 4 times and still have just a little bit of juice left. Up at the top there's a little power button, and it shows you right there, so you got 4 lights that indicate how much battery you have. Now the other thing that's really cool about this is on the side here, it's got an electrical outlet. So you can do this 2 ways. You can either plug it in, charge up the battery if you're on the go. You can actually use this for your tablet. I used it for my iPad and it works for my iPad. I've used it for my phone and I can probably charge my phone at least 2 times, and it's got the 2.4 amp, so it's a fast charge, which is nice. So again, you can just charge the battery, use it there, or you can plug it into the wall and you can connect your USB cord and you can use it that way too. So let's go ahead and check it out really quick here. I've got my USB cable, and I'm going to plug it into the 2.4 amp. And then I'm going to plug it into my charger here. Now, I don't have 6 batteries because they're already all charged up, and I wish I would have not charged them so I could show you guys, but at least I can show you right here. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on. Here we go. So you can see it's got plenty of power. It says USB. And then I will plug in one of my batteries. There we go. And I'll actually plug in 2 of them. There we go. And you can see it does show that it's actually charging them, which is really nice. And like I said, we'll just grab my other 6 batteries, or another 5 batteries. These will all turn green, but it'll just show you that it's got enough juice in here that it can actually charge 6 of these batteries at one time. Hold up, pause. Go. Alright, so as you can see, I've got 6 batteries on here. Now these ones are already charged up, like I said before, but these 2 are not charging, but I can charge up 6 batteries all at one time. And I'll grab my wife's phone over there next to me, and I will show you guys that you can actually, she's got this is the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and so it uses the quick charger. So all you got to do is get the adapter so we can actually plug it in here. And 1 second, guys. There we go. Alright, let's use this, and you can see right there it says charging 48% and about 1 hour, so that's pretty like usual for a quick charge, but it's running right off of this. And like I said, you can probably get about a good 2 charges on your phone, which is really nice. So like I said, you know, it's not specifically FPV related, but I'm using it for FPV purposes because I'm using it for Tiny Whoop night, which is nice because sometimes I don't have enough 4S batteries, I don't bring them, or I don't want to charge them all down, which is really nice. So this is a really good like carry-all little battery that you can get. I think they run about 20 bucks on Amazon, so I will put a link down in the description for you guys, and you can go ahead and check it out if you want. Definitely grab one of these because these are definitely worth it. So thank you very much to Tattu Batteries for sending this for me to do a review on. If you guys like the review of the Tattu Batteries power bank, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And next to that there's a little bell. If you hit that bell, just let you know when I've got new videos, typically every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and try and throw some other stuff in there for you guys. So thanks as always for watching the channel. Thank you for all my subscribers, all the awesome comments. Keep it coming, guys. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out and have an awesome day.